So we're at Aberdare Rugby Club. This is the last festival of the summer. The Timbers are based here, so they're hosting primarily the Blues region, but there are some other clusters. So we've got Chargers from the Dragons region and Saucepans from Llanelli have come along as well. The cluster started in 2016 as a girls-only pathway, so until that point girls could only play mixed rugby up to the age of 13. So this was a new concept in the summer season for girls brand new to rugby, come and have a go, either tag or contact, finding the pathway that suits them, and then they've played throughout the summer. There's been so many numbers in some teams that we've had brand new girls teams set up. In RCT we've got the Bridgers, which are in Pontypridd, we've got Timbers, which are here in Aberdare, and we've got the Miners based in the Rhondda.
In our under-15s squad, we've got girls from 6 comprehensive schools. They're all girls that would never have got together if it wasn't for this.
Giving them an environment that they can express themselves confidently and have a bit of fun, rather than having the peer pressure of playing against the boys, that you see them growing in confidence as well with each other and becoming good friends.
One of my sisters was not very confident going into contact with the boys. She's got a twin brother who she's done tag with, and she went all the way through tag, she loved it. When it came to contact, she was quite shy towards the contact aspect of it, and she lost a lot of confidence. So when I heard about the Miners setup and the Who Cluster setup, perhaps bringing her into an environment where there's girls who might be new to the sport or experienced like yourself, she might have a bit more confidence and like to give things a try.
The opportunity I've got here to come up to girls, give a watch, play, a little bit of advice or coaching, that's great for me, and I love putting back into the sport and seeing the girls develop, so that's brilliant. When I was younger I didn't really have an opportunity to play rugby. I did play when I was under 8s, and obviously you play with the boys team, you get to a certain age and you're kind of kicked out, then you can't play mixed rugby, so to have the ability now to kind of carry on, and so you don't lose that focus, that hobby, and you can play all the way through. Then you're under 13s, 15s, 18s, right way up to senior, and you can transition and develop your skills. Is amazing. From previously, there's been a lot of girls have picked up rugby from an older age, so then the skill development then is kind of forced upon you, whereas the girls have got hands on the ball now since the age of 6, so that kind of natural rugby ability now and that strength coming through, I think, is going to develop the team and a stronger Welsh setup in the future years to come then.
When they first get involved, some have never seen rugby before, and then at the end of the season they're doing switches, dummy passes and stuff like that. It's phenomenal to see, and I think it creates a bit of a pathway now for girls to go into hopefully professional rugby at some stage.
What we're trying to build is a community as opposed to it being just a rugby team. We're a family. Everybody is welcome. Everybody is welcome. Give it a go. There's no pressure from it. There's no obligation from it. We'll say, come along, train. If you just want to train, that's fine. If you want to take the next step and commit to playing, then we'll take the next step. But if you want to come along and train, you're more than welcome to. Yep.
That's what's great about rugby, is that it is for everyone, and we've got tiny girls, we've got big strong girls, and the fact that all of them can play in one team and have a position to suit them is brilliant.